Hello everyone, start off by drawing this V shape one beside the other, and then afterwards draw the sides as well. You will be making the bark of a tree. Underneath it, draw the ground and then add the detailing for the leaves that will be on top of the tree. Start off by drawing this rectangular shape and then at the top of it, add these flowers. Now, we have made about 2 of them and then afterwards, connected to this, add ovular shapes to it. We'll be making little cactus. Add vertical curved lines to it as such and then add little bumps as well. Add a cute little smiley face in the front. Next, start off by drawing these pyramid-like shapes and then draw a U-shape underneath it. Add these V-shapes at the top of it and then curvy lines joining all of these together. Add layers to it to make it look all the more better. This will be a type of flower. Once you're done with this, you may also move on and then add a stem to it. Draw long leaves on either end of it and now color it in. Next, start off by drawing this ovular shape. In the center, add this shape as well. Underneath it, add a U-shape and then underneath this as well, add a little stem to it along with leaves on either end. We have made wavy leaves. Next, start off by drawing this cloud-like shape and in connection to this, make this U-shape along with the pyramid shape on top and then connect the two. Afterwards, draw the stem and then add these leaves on either end of it. Once you're done, color this in. Start off by drawing a thorny stem and then color this in. We have used green in order to color the stem. Afterwards, make a U-shape and then make these V-shapes on top in order to add the layers to the rose. We have colored it in red. For the second type of our rose, we have made swirls at the top and then we have made a U-shape underneath. Add leaves on either end. Start off by drawing this triangular-like shape. Add polka dots all around your triangle and then don't forget to add a stub to it as well. After you have added your stub, add a little mushroom underneath it as well. Next, for the first one, add these swirling shapes and then connect it. For the second one, add these wavy lines. For the third, add this V shape in connection and then for the fourth one, add these pyramid shapes. Next, start off by drawing this curved line almost like a cane. Add layers to it. We have added about 3 of them. Now add an opposite facing U and then the bottom filled with a cloud. After this, add the leaves at the base. Do this on either end and then color it in red. Next, we'll start off by drawing a U shape and then make a V shape in the center as such or a Y shape. On top of this, connect it and make this pyramid-like shape. Add the stem at the base and then add leaves on either side of it as well. Begin to color it in once you are done with this. Next, we'll start off by adding these green lines using a green marker and then on top of this, add these yellow ovular shapes to it. We've also added orange in the middle of them and then on either side. Now afterwards, add these detailings to the top of it to make it look like a flower. Take the green marker and then add the leaves on either side of it and then fill it in. Next, we'll start off by drawing this cross shape. On one of the sides, add this heart shape and then do the same out of all the sides. Now you should have a flower. Once you have drawn your flower, then draw on the stem to it as well. Next, we'll start off by drawing this line using a green marker. At the base of this, add leaves to it as such. Continue to do so in multiple layers and then taking a purple marker, add these little objects all around as such. Add these little dots throughout. Now, take this ovular shape and then add layers to it. Afterwards, on either side of it, add these leaves and then add a line in the middle. Connect it using a stem and then color it in. Thank you for watching.